Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. Today we're looking at Iqiyi. Now the account, let's say you want to delete or and reactivate it. How do we do that? Let's get started. Know first of all that you can delete your account at Iqiyi International at any time. But after the deletion, the content, information, data, records, and privileges under your account will be removed and cannot be restored. Now, what does account deletion mean? It means that you cannot use the account to log in, access, or use the product or services at Iqiyi International. You will lose the content, information, data, records such as viewing records, personal information, comments under the account. Your account will be deleted and or anonymized. Next, you will lose the unused privileges and expected rights that have been granted to you when you were using the product. And that is the services at Iqiyi International, and you'll not be able to request a refund from them. These privileges and expected rights include, but are not limited to, all types of unused VIP member privileges, ratings, the reward points and related privileges granted when using the app, the various membership privileges granted when using their product, unused online services, and other unused privileges or other expected rights. Now, also, certain information not restored under your account will not be restored under your account. For example, your messages or information you sent to other user within a product that is within Iqiyi account may still be visible after deletion, but will be displayed anonymously. Once your account is deleted, any relevant user agreements or other documents regarding rights and obligations that you have signed with them are terminated accordingly, except those which will remain valid upon the agreement between you and Iqiyi or otherwise provided by laws and regulations. And once your account is deleted, the rights and obligations regarding the use of Iqiyi are dissolved. Therefore, you have no right to bring any lawsuits or other dispute settlement proceedings against them. Also, other results of your Iqiyi international account deletion: once your account is deleted, the account and all the content cannot be restored, even if you apply for a new account on Iqiyi International using the same mobile number, email address, or third-party account. Therefore, I kindly remind you to make backup for the content you deem important before requesting about deletion. Now, once you requested for deletion, these are the certain criteria that have to be met before your account can be deleted. 1. Your internet connection is secured when requesting for the account deletion. The account to be deleted is legally registered at the official website of Iqiyi International and abided by the Iqiyi terms of service and relevant instructions and rules. Then there's no automatic renewal of VIP privilege or other rights on that account. To protect your rights and interests, you may need to cancel the subscription at the payment platform before requesting account deletion. Now, once your account is deleted, once your account deletion request is submitted, your account will be frozen for 15 days, during which you will not be able to log in, access, or use the account, nor register a new account at Iqiyi International using the same email address, mobile number, third-party account linked to the account. However, you may click Reactivate on the web page to restore the account or use another email address, mobile number, third-party account to log in or register at Iqiyi International. After 15 days frozen period, during the frozen period, your content, information, data, and the record under your account will be frozen but not deleted. Your posts will continue to be displayed, but other users cannot access your page and profile from them. Within 15 days after submitting your account deletion request, if you change your mind, you may log in with your username and password or verification code to reactivate it. Then click on Reactivate to terminate account deletion and restore your account. Your account will be available for use after reactivation, and the content under your account will now remain intact. Now, to reactivate, what you do is that open your Iqiyi International app, click on Login with your username and password, click Reactivate. If you do not reactivate your account within 15 days after submitting the account deletion request, your account will be permanently deleted. Everything under the account cannot be restored, used, or recovered. So,